How to set up and troubleshoot your microphone on Windows. Step 1. Enable microphone access. Open the search bar and type Settings, then click on it. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, make sure the app you want to use has microphone access enabled. Step 2. Set your microphone as the default device. Open the search bar again and type Control Panel, then open it. In the top right, set View By to large icons. Click on Sound. Under the Playback tab, select your headset, e.g. Logitech G432, and click Set Default. A green check mark will appear next to it. Double-click the device. Make sure device usage is set to use this device enabled. Go to the Levels tab and set the volume to 100. Click OK. Now go to the Recording tab. Select your microphone, click Set Default. Again, make sure the green check mark appears. Double-click it, ensure device usage is enabled. Go to the Levels tab and increase the volume. Step 3. Update your audio drivers. Open the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the section called Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your headset, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the best one. If you're using a gaming headset, you can also install its companion software. For example, if you're using a Logitech headset, install Logitech G Hub.